Welcome to raghukul.com. In this video, we'll talk about how to check, enable, and disable Jira Data Center Logs from administrator mode. If you are new to this channel and wanted to learn about Jira Data Center, Jira Cloud, Jira REST API, and the several add-ons, feel free to refer my this channels where you will see more than 800 videos are uploaded on technologies. You'll also find sessions on RPA, software testing, Python, and several other products. To support this channel, feel free to add your subscribe button as well as adding comments and liking the content. Now, to start with this, first and foremost important part is you need administrator permissions for doing that. Simply log in into your data center and go to your settings. From here, click on systems. Whenever you click on system, navigate it down, and from the left panel, you will see logging and profile. Once you will select, you will see mark logs where it is giving the options during the troubleshooting can be helpful for yourselves Atlassian support. Here you can create your optional message for the logs and mark it. To have the HTTP access related login, you can always enable it or disable it. If you want to see all the logs which is generated here, you will be able to see from these sections where you will see logging label. Set logging labels if you want to set like trace, debug, info, error, fatal, and off. These are the status which you can set it up. So whichever options you will set based on that, you will get a log. Now, some of the logs are enable and disable based, like HTTP access log, where if you want, you can just enable it and this will enable for you where you will get to more options like including images in HTTP access log is currently turned off. If you want, you can again enable those part as well. Whenever you enable, you will get options to disable it. At any point of time, if you want, you will be able to disable it where you will see as of now it's off. Exactly similar way, you can also enable or disable SQL logging where turn this on to have the Jira log available for all SQL requests. This will be sent to the Atlassian Jira SQL.log file. Whenever you want, you will just copy it and save it for your informations. Enabling the steps are saved where you have to just click on enable. It will give you other options to enable for dump log, and once you enable it, both are showing with disable tab. Whenever you want, you will be able to disable it. Say this. Next is profiling. So this is on the get profiling informations from Jira, which will store under Jira profiler.log. These are the logs which you want. You can enable or disable it according to your preferences. Now, as of now, it's not yet enabled. You can see it's off conditions. Whenever you want, you can enable it. Default loggers are these where you can also configure it according to your set logging label. And these are the logs available under Jira Data Center versions. That's all from this video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle and always keep liking this channel, sharing the content with the other users that will help for them to learn more about this tool. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.